Hi, my name is Imoro and welcome to my channel. So on this channel I put together videos about how to make money online, and today's video is going to be about the creative comment videos. Some people say you can make money with it, but I say it's a risk for you to do that, because imagine putting in all this work. Actually you will not make the video yourself, but you download it, edit it to suit your like, and then upload it and maybe try to promote the video. Sometimes you might get views, sometimes you might not get views. So putting all this work, and later maybe like the owner of the video get to see the video and then try to report the video or something like that. Maybe you lose all this. I'll try to show you what I'm saying with my computer, but what I'm saying is that make your own video. As you can see, I don't have much, but I'm trying. I haven't built up my channel much, but I'm just trying to put these videos out so that you know what is working or what is not working. So if you are interested in more videos about how to make money online, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any new video that I drop. So I'll take you to my PC and show you what I'm saying.
So I'm on my PC right now. So I've performed the search for making money without making videos, and these are the videos that come up. So first we have how to make money on YouTube without making any video. It's very easy in 2019. We have here, we have the same title here, and we have this number 3, and we have this. Actually we are going to concentrate on these 5 videos. With what these 5 videos have in common is make money without making videos. And what all these videos are trying to, especially basically this one is based on compilation videos. It's about trends, how to make money with compilation videos, and we will do it about trends, which is you make it like the fastest trends video, and if you get lucky you might get you might get views, and if you do it well, it might work. But if it is creative comment, you might get in trouble somewhere down the line. Maybe the owner of the video might get to see the video and report the video. So that means you are in trouble with that. With all this so much work, later someone coming to claim the ownership of the video, all this hard work has gone to nothing. So if you really want to make money, I think you should make your own video. You can see on my channel I have the whole of the 24 hours, 28 hours, 48 hours rather. I have 12 views. I'm okay with that. I'm still growing. It will take time, but I have to work on my craft, try to get better at this and do it. So if you also want to do it, you have to work it. Maybe whatever you want to do. My channel is about how to make money online. It's about entrepreneurship. I'm not sure what your channel is about though, but like if you want to make money online with video, actually you have to be making your own videos. So if you got any value out of this video, don't forget to like it and comment below. Tell me what kind of videos you like to see in the near future and what have you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.